The bedroom isn't just a place to rest. It's a personal space that reflects who we are, full of comfort, warmth, and character. And did you know? The right paint color can completely transform a room's atmosphere. From plain and ordinary to the space you miss the most every single day. As one of the world's leading paint brands, Sherwin-Williams offers colors that aren't just beautiful, but also calming and deeply comforting. In this video, we're diving into the 10 best Sherwin-Williams paint colors for bedrooms in 2025. Elegant, soft tones that'll make you want to stay in bed just a little longer. If you love design inspiration like this, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our latest videos. Number 1. Neutral Ground from Sherwin-Williams. Neutral ground brings a natural warmth with a soft khaki undertone. It's perfect for those who want a calm and clean atmosphere in the bedroom without feeling too cold or sterile. Ideal for both master and guest bedrooms, this color pairs beautifully with honed soapstone to create a cozy and harmonious neutral palette. Number 2. Krypton from Sherwin-Williams. This light blue with slate gray undertones brings a sense of fresh air and modernity. Krypton is ideal for creating a solitary fortress vibe or a peaceful personal retreat. It evokes a relaxed, introspective feeling, making it the perfect choice for a bedroom designed as an escape from the hustle and bustle of the outside world. Number 3. Quarry Stone from Sherwin-Williams. Quarry Stone is a warm, character-rich, neutral color. Inspired by the natural tones of stone, its soft gray hues bring a subtle rustic charm and a sense of warmth to any space. It's well suited as a main color in the bedroom or as an accent on a feature wall to create an eye-catching focal point. Number 4. Acacia Haze from Sherwin-Williams. If you love a natural palette with a modern twist, Acacia Haze is the perfect choice. This medium green with slate blue undertones exudes the calm of a relaxed Sunday. It adds visual depth to a space, making it an excellent fit for bedrooms with minimalist or Scandinavian decor. Number 5. Drizzle from Sherwin-Williams. This mid-tone blue features a soft hint of green that adds a delightful dimension to any space. Drizzle brings a peaceful yet lively atmosphere, making it an ideal choice for kids' bedrooms, ensuite bathrooms, or hallways leading to private rooms. Its fresh and playful vibe creates an inviting and charming space. Number 6. Natural Tan from Sherwin-Williams. Natural Tan is a light neutral color with subtle green-gray undertones, keeping it from feeling too warm. It's the perfect choice for those who appreciate a natural aesthetic and total relaxation. This shade offers a soft touch that suits coastal, boho, or Japandi-style bedrooms beautifully. Number 7. Rojo Dust from Sherwin-Williams. This mid-tone red offers a calm and soothing energy. Rojo Dust blends beautifully with both neutral and bold color palettes, making it highly versatile as either an accent or a dominant shade. It's perfect for southwestern or rustic chic style bedrooms, delivering a cozy feel without being overly bold. Number 8. Intellectual Gray from Sherwin-Williams. Want to create a bedroom with an intellectual and sophisticated vibe? Intellectual Gray is the answer. This warm gray shade is incredibly versatile and pairs beautifully with soft whites like shoji white to create a classy and serene sleeping space. It brings a mature, professional feel while remaining understated and approachable. Number 9. Willow Leaf from Sherwin-Williams. Willow Leaf brings a sense of natural calm into your bedroom. With its cool gray undertones, this color evokes the feeling of being in a peaceful forest. It's perfect for creating a restful space dedicated to healing and self-reflection, especially when paired with natural wood textures or neutral linens. Number 10. Tassel from Sherwin-Williams. This deep orange color with yellow undertones brings warmth and energy into any space. While it's especially well suited for living rooms or home offices, Tassel can also serve as an accent color in the bedroom, such as on the wall behind the bed, to spark energy and creativity from the moment you wake up. Choosing a bedroom color isn't just about aesthetics. It's about creating an atmosphere that reflects who you are. The Sherwin-Williams colors in this list were selected for their ability to strike the perfect balance between visual beauty and emotional comfort. Whether you prefer calming neutral tones, soothing natural palettes, or bold pops of color, there's always an option that suits your dream bedroom. Turn your bedroom into the perfect sanctuary, with colors that make you want to linger a little longer.